Hey guys, 2020 Chev Traverse Premier all-wheel drive, Redline edition. Captain seats, dual sunroof. Rebuilt title, front end damage. This is a trade-in, so it's been driven out. Bose sound system, all weather. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. 59,685 on those miles. Heated, cooled seats. Backup camera, hitch camera, side camera. .360 camera. Wireless charging here. Smart key with remote start. All your all-wheel drive and tow modes. How to open your sunroof. This does have an adaptive cruise. Collision prevention. This is a 7-passenger. Has 3 seat belts here in the back. This does have a cover. Power lift gate here. Locking down, lock it up front, but power back here, heated seats in the rear. This is a rebuilt title. Damage was in the front, but been driven out. I can't remember. It was 20,000 miles at least. Typically, if a rebuilt tile has been driven out for some time, issues have all been worked out if it had any. So at least customers said they didn't have any issues since they bought it. It's driven great. So has Wi-Fi and OnStar, blind spot monitors on there. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.